Ladies, it's that time of month again, and not the time of month that we normally dread. It's IPSY time! Go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already done so, stay alerted for videos that I drop in the future. Hi, hello, I'm MzPatriciaAnn, and this is my October 2019 IPSY Glam Bag Plus review. Before we get started, I want to go ahead and do a comparison of last month's Plus. Now, we're going to do a comparison of the boxes itself. Last month, I got the Hot Barbie Pink with the IPSY logo in white across the box. This month, we have the Bubblegum Pink with the IPSY side by side in the white and red and the pink and the blue logo. They changed it up on us. It says to you, from you. Cute little designs that they've done on the box. My theory to why they've done this, they're just upgrading, and they was like, hey, you know, we're gonna drop the ultimate, let's change it up as a celebration to the new product of our growth of our company. Or maybe they just, you know, ran out of the Hot Barbie Pink and won the ultimate to match. I don't know, but my theory is they changed it up and I like it. So I got different theories with IPSY. There's so much going on with IPSY right now, and I am going to spill a little bit of tea for a future video. There is a petition going around about the ultimate, so stay tuned. I am going to be posting a video about the ultimate and in collaboration with another YouTuber and sharing some of her information she's gathered as well. So stay tuned for that video. It'll probably drop right after this video. So if you're interested in signing a petition about the ultimate to get your money back, I will give you further information, a link to the petition, and just more information overall, so stay tuned for that. Now let's get on to the struggle of opening this Glam Bag Plus. I do appreciate it though. We know that the box is packaged well, that the product is secure in the box. So let's get right into it. Now IPSY, it says discover yourself. Inside the box not really changed that much. It's still the same hot pink that we're used to. The foam is orange. Now IPSY Glam Bag Plus is $25 a month, monthly subscription. And every month you'll get 5 full-size products based on your beauty profile. I do have a link down in the description. If you want to sign up, use my referral link, help a girl out, give me some points. Now, first thing we can see when we open the Glam Bag Plus is the Flaunt It card. The Flaunt It card is cute. It gives you information about this month, about the products that you're receiving in your Plus as well, and just a little description. I do keep all my cards because I am a IPSY card hoarder. I don't know if you keep your cards, but I do. Let me know if you do too, so I don't feel so bad. The first product that I pull out of my Plus this month is a Glossier Milky Oil. It's supposed to be an instantly melt and lift away makeup, even the waterproof 24-hour stuff. It won't irritate your eyes, lips, or skin, and it's supposed to be approved formula in the, gluten-free, cruelty-free, vegan, and pro vitamin B5, naturally found in avocados and mushrooms. I have all the information above and below the screen that you can read and check out for yourself. I've never tried this product. I usually just use makeup wipes, but I'm up to trying new products. My second product is the Dr. Bandit Skincare. Is supposed to help with fine lines, acne marks. I have not tried this product, but I was super excited when I seen it in the spoilers to get this product, and I hope that I got it, and I did get it, so I'm super excited for that. But I want to go ahead and share something with you. I don't know if you all noticed, but the products being sealed is very important to me, especially after watching the news of people licking ice cream and tampering with products. Having a product that is actually sealed up means a lot to me when trying new products. I don't know if I'm the only one that feels that way. Comment below, let me know. Moving on to the third product. My pick choice this month, IPSY lets you pick a product, and I picked the Betty Boop That's So Betty eyeshadow palette. Now I could do a comparison to the palette of the Moods palette. I previously got another IPSY Plus box. The size is way different. This is a lot smaller palette than what we're used to getting in our Plus. I'm also going to compare it to last month's Plus palette that I received, and wow, the difference is wow. It's a big difference in size. I was a little disappointed that the Betty Boop palette was so small, but it's also a plus because I can throw it in my purse. Well, I actually throw it in my purse, toss it in there, I don't know, but it's a smaller palette. Overall, it's a smaller palette. So let's get right into the palette and talk about the actual palette itself. Now, I'm going to have a little confession moment with you girls. I'm going to have a confession moment, so don't laugh too hard and make fun of me. But I had a dumb moment. I had the most dumb moment I think I've ever had recording myself, and I just want to go ahead and share it with you guys because this is an actual review, so this is my honest opinion when I first seen the palette. I'm sitting here looking like I'm shocked. What in the world's going on with the mirror? It's blurred out. I finally realized after, I woke up and wasn't so dense, that is a sticker to protect the mirror itself from getting scratched. And that's actually a plus in my, product. So instead of me being dumb, I finally realized that that's actually, a sticker protecting the mirror. Let's go in and talk about the palette. The buttery textures of these shadows allows for smooth blending with brushes and or fingers. These cool, warm tone colors are easily combined for a range of looks from everyday to full-on glam. And the textured finishes like pearl, matte, foil, and oh my goodness, look at the glitter! I'm just so excited. I am telling you, this is my favorite palette that I have ever received in my IPSY Plus, and this is absolutely the best IPSY experience I've ever had. And I know that is crazy, but this is the most amazing product that I have ever received in my whole time with IPSY. And I have been with IPSY for years on years, and the Plus since I think December. So let me tell you, I am so happy. Now, the little pearl color was not very, noticeable, but you use as a base color. Now, when we get into the mattes and the shimmers and the foils, and oh my goodness, let me tell you, these colors is gorgeous. They are beautiful. The pigment in them, they literally go on buttery. Like the description says, a buttery texture. They did not lie. It is definitely a buttery texture. I feel that this product was worth the 25 bucks. This product alone, I know I can spend $39.99 or whatever it is to get the full collection, and I kind of think I might go back and do it if this collection is all like this. So I don't know, I might. I really love this Betty Boop palette. Again, that's the So Betty Boop eyeshadow palette, and it's a limited edition collection that IPSY is sending out this month. They're collaborating with Betty Boop, and I am very pleased with this product. I wasn't sure. I was like, okay, it's just gonna be another palette, but this palette is I'm just over the top excited and being extra right now because that is my true feelings. I am telling you, look at these shades. Look at that. That pigment, that shimmer, that glitter, it's just gorgeous. On my skin tone especially, I'm telling you, I'm in love with it. I love it. I will be doing so many different, full glam looks, from everyday looks to my video looks. And this is actually good for Halloween too. Halloween's coming up and you want to go over extra, over the top with your looks. There you go. Beautiful product. 100% love this product. I'm not 1% disappointed in it. I was a little dumb about the mirror. Go ahead, laugh. But this product here alone was worth the 25 bucks to me. I'm going to go ahead and give a quick reminder that my referral link is down below if you want to sign up for the IPSY Glam Bag Plus or just regular Glam Bag. And I will be having a future video drop for an IPSY petition, so make sure you subscribe, turn your notifications on so you get alerted for that petition that's going around. You don't want to miss out if you want to sign up for it. I also got the Power Gloss Duo lip glosses in my IPSY Plus this month. This was a product that I had seen in the spoolers that I shared with you guys for October, and I had secretly really wanted to try these products, and I had my fingers crossed. I was like, please let this be in my Plus this month, please. And when I got my sneak peek, I was able to see that these was actually a product that I was going to get a try out. They have vitamins A and E that lock in moisture to keep your lips hydrated. They have the ultra glossy formula that gives a high shine and shimmery finish. And I am overall very pleased that IPSY sent these to me this month. I was not the product that I got to pick. You already know the Baby Boop was the product I got to pick this month. But this makes two products in my IPSY Plus that I am so happy with. So as of right now, yes, this box was worth it this month to me. Now let's get right into it and talk about the tubes and the quality of the lip gloss itself. I feel like the quality is it's a thick tube and you get a lot of product. You get a pretty good bit amount of product. They're heavy, and of course, they're beautiful packaging. The tubes is beautiful designs. I love it. The colors is kind of similar. If you look at it from the outside of the tube, they kind of look almost the same, a little bit brighter, a little bit, more pink. But we're going to try them on our skin to see exactly how they look. And look, oh my goodness. I'm telling you, IPSY was like, it's got glitter, it's got shimmer. Sent to MzPatriciaAnn. That's how I feel because they know I love it and they sent it. So look at that glitter in the lip gloss. That really has a shimmering finish. It really does. So that'd be beautiful on some maybe I don't think I've showed you guys yet, wait till you see, I got a lipstick that I redeemed in this video. That is going to be so pretty on top of it. Love it. So happy. Now let's go in with the second tube. Now I'm going after the lighter, well, I'm actually going after the darker pink. So the lighter pink was the actual really pretty pink. Now the darker pink tube is actually lighter. I was confused on this. I was like, huh. So that is the actual high shine one. So the darker pink is the shine, and then the other one is the shimmery finish. So gotcha. Still pleased with this product. Loved it. Look at that glitter. It really, the description, shimmering finish, high shine. It was yeah, it had it. Now here's the product I was talking about that said I redeemed this product for 600 points on IPSY website. It's the Sorry But Not Sorry lipstick. I did get it in rose pink, and this is a lipstick. I was shocked at first, the size. I was like, huh. So I compared it to the previous lipstick that I've got from IPSY, and it's the same size. It's like a puzzle piece put it together. They're same size, travel size lipsticks. So not very impressed. You know, when you redeem the points, you already know the product's is sample sized half the time. But anyway, this lipstick, I'm going to show you guys what it looks like on my skin as well. And it is the Real Her Sorry Not Sorry lipstick in rose pink. I am a huge fan of pink, and this color here will be so pretty as my base, my lipstick, and then I put that Hourglass Duo shimmering finish on top of it, or even if I do the high shine, it's going to be so pretty. And I really like the fact that they had a little stamp of their brand, Real Her, on the lipstick itself. That's really cute. Here we go. Look at that pink. It's like Barbie. I love pink, glitter, Barbie colors, so this is perfect for me. Now, for the next product that I got in my plus this month. The Brightening Serum. It has vitamin C, brightens and evens your skin tone. It's got avocado oil in it, and it helps moisturize your skin, leaving it plump and hydrated, and it helps fade, you know, discoloration, age spots, and dullness. Now, first thing I noticed when I opened this product, it was not sealed, so you already know I like my product sealed, but I did see these in the spoilers, and I wanted to try this product, so I'm happy that I got it as well. Now let's talk about the glam bags that they actually sent out to us this month in the plus. I'm going to compare the glam bag that I got in my plus with my glam bag that I got in my glam bag. And they are two different sizes, two different bags. I was thankful for that because I was a little bit worried when I done my spoilers that the bags were going to be the exact same. They was not. They still the Betty Boop theme, but my glam bag had the face of Betty Boop, and my glam bag plus had just the little logo in red of Betty Boop. And they're two different size bags, as you can see. They both have the mermaid sequence on them, but the bags are not much difference in size, just the plus is a little bit bigger. And I overall really think that the plus is a really cute little bag. It's plain, it's simple, it still says, you know, the Betty Boop logo on it, so it has the little tag in the center of it that says, you know, Betty Boop collection. So I am going to be putting my palette inside of my makeup bag just to keep it safe, like if I do, you know, take it with me in my purse. And these are the two products that I got that I was not really quite sure if I would like or not, that I am going to be trying out. So I did get to try products out this month that I normally probably wouldn't try out, but I did get products that I really did like as well. And overall, yes, I feel like when I first opened my spoilers and my sneak peek and seeing my products, I'm like, I don't know if I'm gonna like my plus this month. I might end up canceling it. But when I was able to pick my palette, this palette is really what done it for me this month. Betty Boop palette really sold me, and the lip glosses, and then the Sorry Not Sorry lipstick that I redeemed. Those are the three products I really liked a lot this month. And like I said, I get to try three other products out that I normally probably wouldn't try out. I don't know how well, again, I'm going to like, you know, the liquid makeup remover. I may just stick to my wipes. But yes, this is my IPSY, and I hope you guys enjoyed your IPSY as much as I did this month. And let me know in the comments below what you got in your IPSY, which products was your favorite. If you liked the Betty Boop palette, let me know if you was excited as much as I was for this palette and how much you really liked it. And follow me on Instagram, Twitter, tag me in photos that you do with makeup looks with this palette, because I want to be inspired to do all kinds of different looks and play with this makeup palette. And yeah, guys, so pretty much thank you for watching my video, and let me go ahead while we are still watching what all I got. go ahead and tell you again as a reminder, if you are disappointed with your IPSY Ultimate, there is a petition going around where you can sign it and hopefully you can get your money back, because I know the IPSY Ultimate was a disappointment this month. I know there's a lot of people that's really disappointed, so stay tuned for that video. I will be dropping it soon. And as always, guys, thanks for watching my video.